Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this a small video about as a midweek recap, right? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, what has happened already, and let's see what's going to happen in next couple of days. Thursday and Friday. Friday we have big news, NFP. Market is waiting for that. So let's get started. The week started on the 29th, and this is where I started as well. So this is, you can see that it's a buy entry here. This is on the left. I show you yellow mark, the buy entry, and then SL move to break even plus whatever. So here's my entry. Here's the setup. This indicator all the way down, and this is how I get in. After red candle turn into blue, right? So this is one of the first trade of the week, pound CAD on the 29th for 200 plus pip, right? And then the second one, we have USD yen. Both of these trades, pound CAD and this one, the entry was on last Friday. Okay, I kept it open, these trades, and close on 29 was, I think it's like Sunday evening. So this is a sell order here. SL move to break even plus, and USD yen, nice drop, straight drop at 440 pip. Here, the next 30 was nothing at all. And as you can see that this is the 31st entry, and the trade closed on the 31st for 290 pip. And this baby is pound Nuzi. Pound Nuzi is just going wild nowadays. 500, 600 pip in a day, easy movement, right? So you can see here from there to there, 290 pip. That's not it. I have another trade on the same day. I'll show you later. So here, 290 pip trade on pound Nuzi. On the 31st, Euro USD were dropping, and then here, beautiful short entry, and went down again. Not much, 70 pip. This pair is always slow, right? And on the 31st, pound CAD again, and here the buy entry here, and beautiful by the book setup, but it's only 100 pip. But this pair gave me a lot more later on. And then on the 31st, again, pound Nuzi. After that, 290 pip, little retracement, and then again getting in here. And look what happened. The second G, 150 pip, second entry on the 31st, right? And then on the 31st, there's a pound CAD retracement coming up, and here, short entry, nice and clean, 115 pip on the 31st. So quite a few trades on 31st. And then the April starts, April 1st. I had only 2 trades here so far. Pound CAD again, after dropping here, goes up again, and 160 pip for that. And then the other trade was pound yen. Yen is getting strong, so all yen pair gonna drop. And on the April 1st, pound yen, short entry here, and my entry is here as I move to break even, and nice and clean 120 pip. So these are a few trades that so far, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I did. And a couple of my analysis, if you look at it, this is the chart I made, a 40-minute chart that USDX, US dollar index, is gonna go from here to there for wave 4. And this is what happened so far. Just recorded the chart. So we went up there. So this could be end of wave 4, 1026, kind of holding it, and then we're probably gonna drop to 61% for wave 5. And if that's so, and after that, maybe this is what we're gonna do on Thursday, and then Friday comes NFP, and then NFP probably gonna do the job, or maybe we're gonna hold on here, and then NFP comes with very bad numbers, and then USD is gonna drop, get weaker again, and it's gonna drop into this area. Let's see what happens. But so far so good. I'm on track. And some other charts, including this pound USD, I made this wave 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna come down here for wave 4 in this fashion here. And so far we came down. This could be A, B, and then C to the downside. And wave 4 will be finished, and then we're gonna be going up for wave 5, and now we'll be going long on this pair again. And here USD CAD, I made the chart that okay, we're gonna go right from here to the upside, or may drop to 88%, then we go, all right? So this is 78%, which is very, very common to bounce. And what happened here, we bounce exactly from there, it's 78%, and went all the way to the upside. That's USD CAD. And then there's another one that I made, a USD franc, saying that, okay, we're probably gonna drop here first to 61% and then go to the upside for wave or maybe 2 or B, and then we'll come down, right? So what happened to this one? We went up here so far, right from here, from 78% of fib drawn from here. Forget about that, all the way down. So these are the couple of things. This is how I do my analysis, and then I teach on my in my webinars, right? I do webinars on Sunday and Wednesday, and that's where I teach my system and analysis and all that, Elliott wave count or money patterns, this, that, blah, blah, to my subscribers. So if you want to be a part of it and you want to learn the system, get the system, and trade like this, then you can go to my website. For example, this is my website here. Main website, you see this is what it is, where I post all my charts, my trades. This is the monthly subscription here. You can go here and subscribe. You can use this button as well to subscribe. But in this portion here, I have listed all my trades taking week by week. For example, so far this week, these are the one. What happened to these charts? They are very small now, so I'm going to fix them. So these are April 1st trades, couple of trades, and then you can see the rest of the week. Week started from here, right, the 29th, and week before you can see all the trades taken up down here. All of these 300 pip trade, 230 pip trade, 200 pip trade, 170 pip trade, and I am showing my entry here on the left. You can really see my entry and my SL. And not the target. I'm always open target, because nowadays the market is moving big, very, very big. So you don't want to have the target and maybe 100 pip, and then the target is hit, and the pairs keep going for maybe 200 pip more, and then you will be scratching your head, right? Just look at this pair, it's Euro Aussie, 300 pip drop from there. So this is what it is. And if you are new to the Forex, and if you really need someone to teach you every single aspect of the trading, Forex trading, see, nowadays we have this coronavirus going on, and everybody in the United States, and all over the world, but especially in the United States, and especially in the state of Florida right now, except few state, all the states, they already have orders to quarantine until May 1st, right? Or May 30th, probably at the end of May. No. I think it's at the end of April. Today is April 1st, and then the whole 30 days. And after that, God knows how long, right? And then we've been already sitting in the houses. We are confined in our houses for the last 2 weeks already, as it is. So it's a very good time to learn, and it is a need as well. If you learn and if you can generate some money, trading the Forex from your home, that would be the best thing to do, right? So let's get on it. And like I said, if you really want to learn, or someone to teach you, then I have one-on-one coaching, either on Skype or some other way. I will be teaching you one-on-one, showing my screen, and teaching you almost every single aspect from A to Z about Forex trading and my Magic IB system, and how to use it profitably. And Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, all of that, SNR level, trend lines, every single thing. Here you can have, you can see a couple of options here, so you can go and sign up here for that coaching. If not, just get the monthly subscription and start learning slowly on your own pace. And I also have a webinar recording. All of my webinar recordings are available to my subscribers, so they can take a look at my old webinars, as well as you will be attending my 2 webinars a week, Sunday 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Wednesday 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I do the webinar. Sunday, I prepare you for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Wednesday evening, the webinar is to prepare you for Thursday and Friday. Okay, and then over the weekend, again, Sunday, I recap, go over all the things that will happen, and prepare you for the things that are about to come on next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So this is how it is. If you want to be a part of it, just like I said, go on my website and come here and subscribe, and be a part of it, and start trading like this. Look at this trade, nice and clean. You see, it was dropping, I got in, and then going up, yellow is above the black, indicates all the way down. You have to have a system. If you are trading forex without the system, that is the recipe for a disaster. So always stick to the system and the proper setup. If this happened, if that happened, then you pull the trigger, and keep your emotions out. That's the only way to win. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, if you are interested, go on my website and subscribe, and start trading like this. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the week.